Okay, it is known that G is, come on pen, it is known that G is less than H between 1 and 3. Let K be a function satisfying this thing between 1 and 3. Is K continuous at x equal 2? And then justify your answer. Okay, I'll be honest with you. This particular problem, when I looked at the score, I didn't know what to do. This particular problem uses something called the squeeze theorem. I have never seen an AP question in 20 years that required the squeeze theorem. So I've never taught the squeeze theorem, I'll be honest. It was only worth 1 point. I would not worry about this particular concept. 20 years they've tested it once. If they test it on Tuesday, it's going to be worth 1 point, maybe 2. It's not worth stressing about at this point. If you want to see the solution to this, you can look up the written solution on the scoring guidelines that I posted on quiz 6, but being completely honest with you, it just is not the right approach to be trying to learn something new this close to the test. The correct approach is what I wrote in quiz 6, which is you want to focus all of your energy on getting better at using concepts you understand. What I mean by that is it can be very helpful to go back to old practice tests and identify where did I lose points just for mistakes. Like where did I encounter things that made sense to me once I saw the videos, but as I was working the problem, like, oh, I forgot that, or I made a mistake. Redoing those problems, like literally reworking them again from your head without using the video is really good preparation. But you definitely want to avoid places where you run into concepts that you're like, I just don't have a good understanding of that yet. Don't worry about it. You can still easily pass the AP test without knowing the squeeze theorem or other similar things that are causing you problems. So don't worry about repracticing or redoing problems that contain things that you don't understand well. Spend all of your time redoing. Redoing means doing it without notes, or, well, you can always use your notes, but without using the previous work. Like redo the problems without using your previous work. Redo those problems that were places where you just made mistakes. But again, if you want to look up this solution, just look at the scoring guide that I posted with quiz 6, and it will show how they worked out to get this 1 point on this problem. So.